A multi-level parking space has been inaugurated near Freedom Park in the heart of Bengaluru. If you are from Bengaluru, you know what a big concern parking is, especially in the central business district. So can this facility help commuters? What are its features? What are the charges and timings? Find out in this report. This multi-level parking facility called Right Parking opened to the public on 21st June. Constructed by the Bruhata Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, the facility is located right behind the Freedom Park in Gandhinagar. It is close to several densely populated and big business areas of the city such as Majestic, Chickpete Market, Avenue Road and Gandhinagar. Parking has been an issue in these areas for a long time, with scores of people visiting these areas on a daily basis. 600 cars and 750 bikes can be parked at the facility at any given time, and Bengaluru's civic agency spent 80 crore in its construction. But despite the massive space, will this facility actually be beneficial to commuters looking to visit areas across CBD?
ಈ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾದ ಕಿರಿದಾದ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಜೊತೆ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ 600 ಕಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತು ಸುಮಾರು ಒಂದು 750 ಬೈಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪೇಟೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪಿಕಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಾಸಗಿ ಒಂದು ವಾಹನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೊಂದು ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
The space is said to have a drop-in and pickup facility.
Here we have kept a pickup and drop facility, wherein we have introduced a mass transit system also. Here the people can keep their vehicles and then take the shuttle services to the places like it may be commercial Chickpet or administrative Vidhan Sauda, High Court of Karnataka, or also to railway station. So we have kept this facility also.
The BBMP has banned parking in 35 stretches in this area. These are the important ones to watch out for. Right Parking is solar powered and has got different slots for the disabled and women. Keeping in mind women's safety, pink parking slots for women are situated on the ground floor. Emergency buttons and CCTV cameras have also been installed across the building. Wheelchairs, ambulance services, toilets, vending machines and electric vehicle charging facilities are also available at the building.
If you compare with the facilities what is there in Delhi, it is, I could say that it is almost 30-40%.
This facility works on a smart, cashless technology. The BBMP decided to go soft on the pockets of commuters with prices at Rs 15 per hour for parking a bike and Rs 25 per hour for parking a car.
It is only 15 rupees per two-wheeler for the first hour, and it goes on reducing. It is an incremental reduce is there, which will come to 7 rupees 50 paisa. And for the cars, it starts with 25 rupees in the first hour and also goes on incrementally reduce. Many places it will be incrementally increase. If you go to a mall, it is 80 rupees per hour. And during weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, it goes up to 100-120 rupees, depending upon the demand of the car parking. So here we have not done such facilities.
The parking lot was originally supposed to be opened in 2017, but skipped several deadlines due to various issues, including legal challenges. While the facility's construction was complete by November 2021, the facility remained vacant for 2 years. Despite the BBMP floating tenders 8 times, no private operator expressed interest in running it.
I am seeing these facilities under construction for the last 1 decade, and we are very upset why they are not going to float the tender and whatever. Even we try to do tendering as well, but anyway, finally we are going to use the facilities. That's gonna cut down a lot of traffic congestion and all those unnecessary parkings and all. So yes, of course, this is good.
Earlier this year, the civic body awarded the contract to Bengaluru-based Prince Royal Parking Solution Business Private Limited at rupees 1.55 crore per year. It remains to be seen how efficiently this facility will work and how much it helps in decongesting areas in the central business district. What do you think about this facility? Let us know in the comments below. With camera person Prashant, Rishika Kashyap for Deccan Herald.